Alright. Ndiyo mgambo ikilia, jua kuna jambo. Bad leaders are rarely chosen by accident. They are chosen when people stop thinking. Today we begin breaking down the lyrics of this song.
This is understanding. They come with promises, colors and sound. Helicopters land and people gather.
And the objective of breaking this song down is to help us understand what the song is really saying about leadership and how people make decisions during elections.
Then it becomes normal, then it becomes us. You say it's yours, so you take it back. But every small step keeps you on that track. A system built on silent deals, where truth gets buried and noise feels real. Chagua kwa busara. Not everything shining should make you proud. Look past the noise.
Look past the noise. Pull it up. So that's the first line. Harambe. Harambe. That's the first word. The first line. Harambe. Usifuate tu upepo. So let's first analyze that word, harambe. Harambe is not just a word. Harambe is a call. It is a gathering. It is a national voice. This is a familiar phrase that immediately makes people feel connected. It reminds us that leadership is not an individual matter. It is not a matter reserved for a certain tribe. No, it is a collective matter. And the choices we make together shape the future we will live in together. That's why we make blunders when choosing leaders. When we choose bad leaders, kinaturamba sisi wote. So that's the meaning of that word, harambe. Harambe. I'm taking it up to the top.
Harambe. Usifuate tu pepo.
Usifuate tu pepo. Now at that juncture, the singer is sounding a warning. Usifuate tu pepo. Ni bendera tu inafuata, but it's telling us, do not just follow it. Do not let the noise become your decision. Do not let excitement replace judgment. Do not let the size of a rally become the measure of leadership. That means you should not judge the quality of a leader by the size of the crowd that the leader is. Because in the recent past in Kenya, we witnessed politicians, we received reports that politicians are buying members of the public to attend political rallies. And we also know crowds can be emotional. Crowds can be manipulated. Crowds can be moved by sound, by color, by money, and momentary excitement. But the crowd is not always true. At this point, the singer is sounding a warning. Harambe, usifuate tu pepo.
Harambe. Usifuate tu pepo. Harambe, tumia akili. This is not understanding. They come with promises, colors and sound. Helicopters landing, people gather around, but nobody asking, where did it begin?
For listeners, that's it for today's. Your next session, we'll take another and expound the words of the singer so that you understand what the song is really saying about leadership.
This is understanding. They come with promises, colors and sound. Helicopters landing, people gather around,
Harambe,
but nobody asking,
Harambe,
where did it begin?
Harambe.
The money looks loud.